Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you, buttonhole. Function: add buttonhole on pattern or design line, modify buttonhole. On grade pattern, different size buttonhole can equal, also cannot equal. And also can add buttonholes. Select the buttonhole tool. Then left click on the line, buttonhole at curve dialog box will open. Enter the quantity of buttonhole, distance from first point, and distance from last point. Then click OK. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.